like know how to shoot stuff.
What kind of camera is it?
A Sony FX3.
Wait.
$1 million camera right
Let
here.
me see.
I remember saving up for months just to get my hands on a camera. To have the students have the ability to put their hands on professional equipment early, that's what this program is about. In the film and photography program, you know I'm big on being able to see the story from beginning to end. The Creative Academy is a platform for students to express themselves artistically. The goal is to present opportunities and provide workforce development skills for the youth.
Sometimes they need that extra push, because sometimes they don't have it at home, unfortunately. And sometimes they may be in the school system where it's not really supported. Engagement is the #1 thing that we focus on. We want them to talk to each other. We want them to meet other students from other places that they never saw before. We make sure that they understand what exactly it is that we're doing and that they are doing it.
That's like still trying to tell your story, right? So don't be afraid of playing with those various shots that we used to play.
I really enjoy that I'm in a space that can harbor creativity. You don't get that as easily, like at school. Here, I get to use the camera and I get to show what I've got.
Something that I feel the world is lacking is community. Everybody is so focused on differences. We have so many different demographics in one room, but that's not our focus. We're just creating. My peers are insanely talented in the things that we do. I wish the world could just see.
Everybody's not gonna do music, everybody's not gonna do film. And we get those students too where they just need a safe space to come on a weekend and just express themselves. They might play piano, but they don't want to be an artist. So, as long as they take something from us that they could use, any type of relationship or resource that can help them in the future, regardless of what they choose to go in, I'm satisfied.
My hope is that TCA will be not only a state staple, but you will make noise nationally. And you'll start hearing, I got my start at TCA. They go out into the world and then they always remember where it started for them and they give back, they continue to pay it forward. So pretty soon we have a little army of TCA creators out there that everybody can call within this network, get something creative, put it together and put out into this world.